Space exploration is the study and exploration of outer space, including celestial bodies such as planets, stars, and galaxies. It has captured the imaginations of humans for centuries, and the quest to explore beyond our planet has led to remarkable advancements in science and technology. From the first manned mission to the Moon to the International Space Station, space exploration has come a long way, and it continues to pave the way for a brighter future. History of space exploration. The history of space exploration dates back to ancient civilizations, such as the Babylonians and the Egyptians, who used their knowledge of astronomy to navigate the night sky. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that humans began to seriously consider exploring space. The Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into space on October 4, 1957, marking the beginning of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. The United States responded by launching its own satellite, Explorer 1, the following year, and the two superpowers engaged in a fierce competition to be the first to achieve various milestones in space exploration. In 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel into space, and the following year, American astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American to travel into space. In 1969, the United States achieved a major milestone by landing astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin on the Moon as part of the Apollo 11 mission. After the conclusion of the Apollo program in 1972, human space exploration shifted to low Earth orbit, where the focus was on developing technology and conducting experiments in a microgravity environment. The United States and Russia worked together to build the International Space Station, which has been continuously occupied since 2000. Advancements in space exploration technology. Space exploration has led to numerous advancements in technology, many of which have had far-reaching implications beyond space travel. One such technology is the GPS system, which was originally developed by the United States military for navigation in space but is now used in everyday life for navigation purposes. Other advancements include the development of new materials that can withstand the extreme temperatures and pressures of space, as well as innovations in robotics and artificial intelligence that enable spacecraft to perform complex tasks without human intervention. Future of space exploration. The future of space exploration is bright, with numerous private companies and governments around the world investing in new technology and missions. One of the most exciting developments is the prospect of sending humans to Mars, with NASA planning to land astronauts on the Red Planet as early as the 2030s. Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are also working to make space travel more accessible and affordable, with the goal of eventually establishing a human settlement on Mars. In addition to Mars, other destinations being considered for exploration include the Moon, asteroids, and the outer planets of our solar system. Fun facts about space exploration. The first animal to orbit the Earth was a dog named Laika, who was sent into space by the Soviet Union in 1957. The longest spaceflight by a human was a year-long mission by Russian cosmonaut Valery Polyakov in 1994 and 1995. The International Space Station is the largest human-made object in space, and it can be seen from Earth with the naked eye. NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, has traveled farther from Earth than any other human-made object and is currently in interstellar space. Astronauts have to exercise for several hours each day to combat the negative effects of microgravity on their bodies. The first space tourist was Dennis Tito, who paid $20 million to visit the International Space Station in 2001. Beyond the fun facts, space exploration has also led to important scientific discoveries, such as the existence of black holes and the discovery of numerous exoplanets outside our solar system. It has also contributed to our understanding of Earth's climate and environment, as satellites in space can provide valuable data on weather patterns, natural disasters, and changes in the environment. However, space exploration also poses challenges and risks, such as the dangers of radiation exposure, the high costs of missions, and the potential for conflicts between nations over access to space resources. Despite these challenges, the benefits of space exploration continue to inspire new generations of scientists and explorers. By pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technology, space exploration has the potential to transform our understanding of the universe and our place within it.